U198 GPS Drone 4K Brushless Quadcopter with 4.5 inches LCD screen remote and 5G digital transmission. Experience next-level drone technology with the U198 GPS Drone, a powerful and compact quadcopter built for both aerial photography enthusiasts and RC hobbyists. Packed with intelligent flight features, a crisp 4K camera, 5G digital transmission, and a 4.5-inch built-in LCD screen controller, the U198 delivers a professional-grade flying experience without the complexity. Ultra-clear 4K camera for aerial photography. The U198 is equipped with a high-resolution 4K front camera, perfect for capturing stunning landscapes, real estate, or action footage. With adjustable angles, the camera allows you to customize your field of view mid-flight, giving you more creative control over your shots. Satellite dish 5G digital transmission, real-time FPV. Forget laggy video feeds. The U198 supports 5G Wi-Fi digital transmission, enabling real-time FPV, first-person view, directly to the 4.5-inch LCD display on the remote. No smartphone needed. You'll get smooth, sharp, low-latency visuals for complete immersion and precise control, even from up to 1,000 meters away. Brain GPS positioning plus smart flight modes. With advanced GPS, GLONASS positioning, the U198 offers pinpoint flight control and multiple intelligent flight functions. Auto return to home, RTH, activates on low battery or signal loss. Checkmark follow me mode. The drone tracks your movement automatically. Checkmark waypoint flight. Draw a path on the screen, the drone follows it. Checkmark orbit mode. Fly in smooth circles around a subject. Checkmark gesture photography. Take selfies or videos with a simple hand gesture. Repeat button brushless motors for power and durability. Equipped with powerful brushless motors, the U198 offers stronger lift, more stability, and a quieter flight experience compared to brushed motors. This results in better wind resistance, longer motor life, and smoother aerial maneuvering, ideal for outdoor conditions. Joystick 4.5 inches LCD display remote, fly phone free. The included ergonomic controller features a large 4.5-inch color LCD screen that displays live FPV footage, flight data, battery level, signal strength, GPS coordinates, and more. You can fly without a smartphone, making the experience more direct and immersive, great for beginners or pros who want an all-in-one solution. Long battery life. With a high-capacity modular lithium battery, the U198 offers up to 25 minutes of flight time per charge, with an easy plug-in system and built-in overcharge protection for safety and convenience. Toolbox key specifications. Model: U198 GPS Drone. Camera: 4K Ultra HD front camera, adjustable angle. Transmission: 5G digital FPV. Screen: built-in 4.5-inch LCD FPV display on controller. Flight time: approximately 25 minutes. Remote range: up to 1,000 meters, depending on environment. Motors: high-efficiency brushless motors. GPS, GLONASS, dual satellite positioning system. Flight modes: follow me, orbit mode, waypoint mode, gesture control, auto RTH. Battery: 7.4 volts 2000 mAh, modular Li-ion. Controller battery: rechargeable Li-ion. Foldable design. Yes, compact for travel. What's included? 1x U198 GPS Drone, foldable. 1x LCD remote control with 4.5 display. 1x drone battery. 1x USB charging cable. 4x spare propellers. 1x user manual. 1x screwdriver. 1x carrying case, optional, depending on bundle. Perfect for camera aerial photography and videography. Airplane beginner and intermediate drone pilots. Video game RC hobbyists and tech enthusiasts. Globe travelers and content creators. Home real estate marketing.